Comic Con. We all are excited. So let's see. You can see, I can just show it. How excited all the kids, all age group people are excited, and they're wearing different costume. So let's find out what costume they are wearing and what is this all about. Hi, so what's your name?
My name is Hasrat, and currently I'm cosplaying as Tengen Uzui
Okay.
from Demon Slayer. It's an anime. It's a pretty flashy one.
Okay, so the costume, how much time did you take to wear your costume or did you buy it?
No. It's like most of it is self-made. Yeah, we're all family. We made it all together. So yes,
You are big fans, I must say.
yes, we are all huge fans, So yeah, it took us around a month and a half to get it done.
So
All of
before
us.
month, you know that Comic Con is coming to Hyderabad.
Come on, it's a big event.
What about you, darling? What are you wearing and what's your name?
Hi, I'm Nituja. I'm cosplaying as Kanao from the same anime Demon Slayer. So we were preparing for this since a month, and it was fun because the three of us came together, and yeah, it was like really fun, and looking forward to next year as well.
Wow. What's your name? What you're wearing and what's representing?
Hi, so my name is Tanuja. I'm cosplaying as Nezuko from Demon Slayer. So I have actually recently discovered Demon Slayer and I've been obsessed with it. So anyway, we are cosplaying today and we are so happy.
Oh my god, something horror is coming. Oh my god. But you're such a beautiful lady behind this makeup, I must be.
Hi, hello. My name is Anayata. I'm a student, and I'm dressed as Azami from Uzumaki. So she's a horror anime character, and I hope I'm horrifying all of you today.
So he's your son or what, like your brother?
My cousin brother.
You said you're a student. So how did you see your Didi? You like her costumes and makeover?
Yes, I do like it.
But you're not doing anything.
He's also cosplaying. Why don't you say what it is?
That's why.
My name is Angad. I am dressed up as Goku from Dragon Ball Z.
Okay, what you are doing?
I'm cosplaying as Benton today, and so like I really like Benton, and it was a very nice and simple costume to get. So I was like, okay, fine, it's a nice costume. I really like it.
Well, good. Enjoy yourself. And which is your favorite one, which you wanted again to represent? What do you want to like? Next costume you want to wear?
My next costume would be some character from Demon Slayer because I love Demon Slayer and the beautiful team there. They're looking so gorgeous today. So I would definitely, next year, I would want to be them.
Oh, great. Nice.
Thank you.
So what are you wearing? You're looking so damn hot.
Thank you. I prefer cute though. I'm cosplaying as Mitsuri, but in school version, like school uniform version.
So how long you taken like it? Why you wanted to be like this? Why you select this role?
Because Mitsuri is a person who's a foodie and she's a very clumsy person just like me. So why not bring what is me in real life?
So where you got this nice hair, green, pink, everything, the costume? How did you manage?
We can actually buy wigs and all from specific stores from Insta or other website. And it's just like a quick cosplay, so it was okay. I just paid a lot of work on my face for makeup.
Another character, which is your favorite, you wanted to do next?
Gojo have always been my favorite character, and he was my first thing which I cosplay. So Gojo again, maybe.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what are you representing?
I'm representing Hollow Knight. It's a game.
Okay, what game it is? Give me details.
It's a 2D platformer game where you play as Little Ghost, which is me,
Okay.
and you have to defeat the main Hollow Knight.
So are you comfortable?
Yeah, I'm very much comfortable.
Okay. Chalo, and next, what is next after this? Any of your favorite other character you want to portray?
I was thinking of Sword Art Online's Kirito.
Okay.
Kirito from Sword Art Online. So I don't know if I can manage it. Let's see, next year maybe.
Yeah, I can hear audio. No issues, I think. Audio, no issues.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you. I was
Thank
worried
you.
about the audio.
No, audio was going good. Presenting.
I'm just like a clown from the circus.
Okay.
There's no big character. I'm just a clown.
So, did you get over here only, or costumes and makeup, everything you did by you?
Yeah, everything is by me. I drafted the patterns and then sewed them. It's not the best wig.
Okay.
This is like my first from scratch outfit, but I think it's fine.
So you love your character? I mean, when you were planning for this, what was going in your mind?
The stress that it might not come out good because there was not really like a tutorial to do it. So the stress was there.
And what about this paint? I can see what is all about that paint and skin care. You know, after that, like I can see a lot of paint is there. What paint is the makeup?
Yeah, his makeup is all body safe. The white is the Mehran Circus white oil paint, and then the usual Athena palette. This is Athena palette with like all the colors. It's that, and then it's normal lipstick and eyeliner.
Wow. And next, what do you want to be?
Well, I'm coming tomorrow, but I'm not really gonna be in anything. Just normal clothes.
Enjoy the show.
Yeah, just gonna lay back. This is tiring enough.
And who's your favorite one?
This is like
Favorite role, or like you want to be next time you want to try that?
next time if I have the time and if I'm not productive, if like I'm productive enough, I'll cosplay Miku, Hatsune Miku, the Vocaloid, or let's see, there's so many. There's like
Which one is your favorite?
Miku. She's like, I'm the biggest fan. I might not know like every bit of information, but my love for her says everything.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, what was your role and your? Oh my God, you're inspiring me a lot. A dashing woman going to rock.
So I am currently working at Logitech booth. I am cosplaying as Neon from a game called Valorant. It's an FPS game, very popular among the gamers here.
Okay. So, how long you take for the costumes and how comfortable you are?
I actually make my own cosplay, so I try to make it as comfortable as it can be. It's still a little uncomfortable. It took me around 10 to 20 days to make this for like if I work 4 to 6 hours a day.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And what next you want to be?
Oh,
Next costume.
I am currently working on a cosplay from the same game. It's called Fade, and hopefully it will like complete soon, and I can wear it again in a Comic Con.
Okay, so in a game, any dialogue or something is there that can represent something like a scene or some dialogue, something is there?
Yeah, run, run, run.
Okay, run. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
So what avatar you are in?
I'm Hatsune Miku. She's a Vocaloid, a virtual singer.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
dressed up as her.
Can we have one of us sing a song?
Oh no, I can't sing. Sorry.
So from there, like you were always fascinated by her?
Yeah, I love her. I love her character. She's been around for a really long time, so I basically grew up with her music, and I really like that character. So I'm glad I could cosplay her.
How did you manage your costumes?
This is fully handmade. My mom helped me stitch this. Yeah.
Oh my God, your mom has stitched this.
It took 13 hours of work.
My, such a big fan you are.
I love her.
From what age you were admiring her?
Oh, I think since I was like 10. Yeah, and I'm 17 now.
Oh my God! And what about the hair? Everything, I can see it. How long it been taken for you to get your costume done? Here, everything.
So the hair I had to order in early September because the delivery takes so long. So I was pre-planning that, and then this took 13 hours, like I said. And in the morning, it takes me about 2 hours to get ready. So yeah.
Wow, you're enjoying? Yeah. So, what's the next character you would love to play?
I would love to play like her. There's like more people in the band, so I'd like to play other characters from there too. So that'd be really fun. It's like Teto and all.
So nothing, no action, no singing, nothing to represent your character.
I suppose.
Okay, do that. So what role you're playing? What is your character?
I'm Mai from Bunny Girl Senpai. Rascal does not dream of Bunny Girl Senpai.
So
Yeah,
are you enjoying the Comic Con here?
yeah, I'm having a lot of fun.
So how much time you taken for the dress up, everything? What excites you most?
Well, what about Comic Con?
Yeah.
I love that people are dressed up and it's very engaging and everyone's asking for pictures. It's really cool.
So how long you taken to get dressed up and collecting all the accessories?
I already had them with me, so it was pretty chill for me.
So any other character your favorite? Next time you want to get into that?
Yeah, I was thinking I am not decided yet, so I'll let you know once I do.
You can also say what you're representing.
I'm Choso from Jujutsu Kaisen. So like a female version of.
Okay. From how you decided to get into this avatar?
So I basically like this anime, and this was like the easiest cosplay I could do without a wig. So